Vechain holders, be alert because Vechain is starting moving upward now, and it's a very good news for all of you. To Vechain is absolutely wake up and go in the moon now. So this is very good news for all of you, my brothers. You know what's the main reasons to Vechain is starting moving upward? We predicate this coin. What's my prediction? Absolutely, I will tell you in this video. But kindly before I get started this video, I have one request: to subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for videos notification. So first of all, as you can see, my brothers, this time the Vechain is wake up, especially from last 24 hours. And there are three reasons, my friends, to Vechain as wake up and then moving upward. The main reason is that, my friends, to holders are hold it, and the second reason is that, my brothers, to this is the start of mid month. Absolutely, my friend, at the mid of month every cryptocurrency is moving upward, so therefore I am 100% sure. So this reason is also going to be right now. And the third reason is that, my brothers, especially to short time investor, they are starting holding. So if they are hold, then definitely they moving upward now. So holders, you need to hold, and the short time investor especially wait for a good time. I hope, my brothers, they will move upward in upcoming time. So therefore you need to hold it and wait for a good time, my friend. If you predicate this coin, then definitely we understand, my brothers, to upcoming time can there is a chance to they move upward or not. So as you can see, my brother, first of all, this time the chart is absolutely, my friends, show you to in upcoming time there is more chances to they will move upward. So my brother, if you can see here, this time the hit the highest point is moving upward. If they're moving in this point is exactly, my friends, they will give you 0.122 USD dollar. Just in only you can see here they hit already this line. But this time you get 0.12 USD dollars, so they are moving in this position. So definitely, my friend, this is very short jump, but absolutely I hope, my friend, after that, my friend, after this jump, absolutely they take a very huge jump now. So you need to hold because, my friend, I am 100% sure to upcoming time there is more chances to them move upward, my friend. If you can see, my friend, this time they make a triangle. So this triangle is completely sure, my brother, to this coin is in the profit, and the last 24-hour change will be positive. So let's see, my brother, to the last 24 hours really they can, my friends, change occur will be positive or not, my brother. But kindly holder, my brother, you can see, yes, absolutely I am right. You can see this time last 24 hours just only they are moving positive. You can see last 7 days chart occur will be negative, and last 24 hours you can see a 10.43% the price is increased now. And the last 1 hour you can see they again fell down. So therefore all currencies is fell down there in the morning, but definitely, my friends, in night, my friends, they will go up, they take a very huge jump. So I'm so happy, I'm so excited, my friends, to see this. And I'm 100% sure to upcoming time there is more chances they will give you a very good profit now. But you need, my brothers, to hold it and don't sell it and wait for a good time. I hope the price will be double now at the end of month. Thanks for watching. Please like this video and subscribe this channel.